Okay, in this video I was asked to explain what happens with propene when we add bromine water to this. Okay, so we must remember that propene is an alkene, and that means it has a double bond. So let me draw propene. Remember, prop is 3 carbons in the chain, and I'm going to make one of those a double bond. Count your bonds. Make sure there's 4 bonds on each carbon. So add the hydrogens as required, okay? And we're adding to this bromine. So what I'm going to do is draw out a bromine. Bromine is diatomic, so it is Br2. Because this is an alkene, this bond here is going to split, and what will happen is this will create 2 new bonds. We'll put that one over there, and allow the bromine, which will also split, to add across that double bond. So what we end up with, if I draw my original propane structure, there's my propene, and then within this I'm going to add the bromine to it. Okay, because the bromine here is bromine water, this is a orange color, and because, as you can see here, we've now separated the bromine, so it's together and now it's separated, this orange color would become colorless as it reacts with the alkene. Okay, hopefully that helps. We'll put some formulas in that might be useful as well. So here I can shorten this to C3H6 because that's the formula for propene and Br2. This one over here, you can do a couple of different ways of doing it. For us, probably at GCSE level, you can just count up the fact that there are 1, 2, 3 carbons, and this is same for hydrogen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens, and then I'll have 2 bromines in there as well. Okay, and we can do it that way. Okay. Also, in class we messed about with naming this, so I'm going to number it from this end because they then have the lowest number of carbon atoms on the bromine. And the way I would name this would be, so remember it's position 1 for bromine and position 2. So I would call this 1, 2. There are 2 bromines, di, bromo, and then we've got the carbon chain of 1, 2, 3. So it's prop, and it's now saturated. So it's prop, and then ane to let everyone know it's a saturated structure. Okay, hopefully that explains reactions of propene with bromine water. Good luck.